a munitions plant. You can see I-40 off to the left on our screen. We're currently about 3 minutes away from the location. We noticed shortly after takeoff from John Toon a large plume of smoke. I'll pan up and show you that. This is reportedly at the Accurate Energetic munitions plant near the Hickman-Humphreys County line. It has been confirmed by first responders, and we can confirm it here just based on this large plume of smoke. As we get closer to the scene, we'll show you. This is going to be in the Bucksnort only Tennessee area.